All right. How you guys doing on this Aloha Friday? I'm doing pretty good. Got my coffee right here, cold brew black. I'm on like 7, 14, 21, 28. I'm on like week 4 of fasting, intermittent fasting till 12 noon every morning. Things are going good. Yeah. Feeling powered up. Feeling good. I went to the bike shop today. The bike shop to get my bike checked out because my Propel bike, giant Propel, because in the 11, 12, 13 and 16 tooth cogs, right, the first 4 cogs from the smallest, I was noticing a clicking sound somewhere on my chain or cassette, and I tried messing around with the barrel adjuster on the back of the rear derailleur, but I didn't have any luck with that. So I brought it in to get professionally looked at, and yeah, they fixed it up right away in a few minutes. So I'm gonna continue to go to the bike shop because I've been going to them for years since I started riding bicycles, and they're still my go-to shop. If you have a go-to shop, you know, and they don't sell the brand of bike that you want, like I had to go to a shop in Kailua on the other side of the island to get my giant Propel, because my shop that I race for only carries specialized Kona, Norco, and felt. So I was kind of in a rock and a hard place because I didn't want to get a Venge Vias, and I didn't want to wait for the new Venge because the price point was way more than my entry-level giant Propel, as far as entry-level giant Propel versus entry-level Venge Vias, or just the new Venge. Yeah, so long story short, went back to my original bike shop. I still love going there. They're awesome. The Bike Shop Hawaii, awesome group of guys, awesome mechanics, super professional. Just a great place to get your bike fixed. And so I'm gonna continue to be a customer there and buy my parts and buy my parts and supplies there because they're awesome. They're awesome. So I wanted to ask my viewers, do you ever feel like agitated when something's wrong with your bike? Like when something's wrong with my bike, any of my 5 bikes, like mysterious flats, mysterious creaking and clicking, mysterious anything, pops, clicks, noises, you know, things are worn out. Like, I personally feel on edge a little bit, agitated a little bit when something's going on with my bikes, because my bikes are like my mechanical children. Like, if something's wrong with my children, my mechanical children, I feel on edge, I feel uneasy, and I want to fix it. I know some people could just let their busted rear derailleur go for the year and just ride it like that for the whole year, or they could have clicking sounds in their rear cassette, and they could just ride it like that for the whole year, 2 years, whatever. Their chain could be slipping and they could just ride it out, ride it to smithereens. But I don't know, not me. Like I feel like I've come so far in bike knowledge, not mechanical knowledge. I'm not great at mechanical stuff, but bike knowledge in general. Like, don't keep your bike in the rain. Wash your bike, keep it clean, and it'll last longer. And you know, the more you ride, the more fun you will get out of riding your bike long distance, because you'll build up conditioning. So longer rides will be more fun and less strenuous. It's all about time in the saddle. Some people can do like short interval work and be ready for a long race. That's their physiology. My physiology, I need a lot of hours in the saddle for long distance rides in order to feel prepared. That's my physiology. Same as like eating. Some people could eat a bagel for a century ride and they could be fine. Some people need to eat a whole sandwich or just gels. Some people, everybody's physiology is different. That's what I've learned in the bicycling world. And you know, it doesn't matter what bike you ride, as long as you're riding your bike, you're doing something good for yourself, which is good. It's a win-win all around. Yeah, so that's the vlog. Just wanted to say, do you ever feel on edge or uneasy when something is wrong with your bike? Whether it's a mystery or not, whether you know the answer to it or not, do you just let it slide and forget about it and not repair it? Or do you feel so on edge, so compelled to fix it because that clicking noise or that creaking or that whatever weird funny feeling you get out of your bike just puts you on edge? Yeah, so what kind of mindset do you have towards it? Fix it now, or it's okay, just forget about it? I have a hard time just forgetting about it. I feel something deep inside of me that I gotta find the answer to what's making that noise. Maybe that's just me. I wanted to know how my viewers are. Hope you're having a great Aloha Friday. That's it for the vlog. Peace. And don't forget your coffee.